Welcome back to today's Morning Report Charts Appraisals on Friday the 21st of August with me, Rich Penn, Market Analyst at Handtech Markets. Let's move on to cable. We're starting to see a little bit of traction now finally on cable. It's been a slog, but are we starting to now really get this move higher? You had a close just underneath that 56.90 level, 56.87 last night. Now, just very quickly want to discuss the meaning of this candle that we had yesterday. That is arguably an inverted, sort of like a hanging man candle, which is interesting, because, and that is potentially negative, and that the reason because that is sort of had the initial sell-off that was sort of bounced into the close. I think it's a difficult candle to read actually because it needs a subsequent negative candle to follow it, and it's obviously not having that. So I think at the moment we can't take that as a negative candle. I think you've got to look at it more positively. The fact that that the sterling moved into the close and pushed higher, and it's subsequently pushed higher today. So I think it's taken as part of this sort of drift higher. We're not seeing the ultimate closeout yet higher. I mean, we're currently trading out above that 56.90 level, which is sort of 20 pips above it. But again, we haven't yet quite seen the closing break. Although look at the momentum indicators, they are gradually getting stronger. The RSI is pretty much bang on 60 now, and I've been saying a consistent move on the RSI above 60 would suggest strong momentum. Look at the stochastics as well, decent move on the stochastics. So we are seeing finally, it would appear, this traction to the upside. I mean, the hourly chart is still not all that bullish though. If you look at that, the momentum indicators still pretty much neutrally configured, not really that great. And interestingly, look at the stochastics falling on the hourly. So is it actually going to go with this run higher? I think a lot of question marks still hang on over this cable move higher. You do need that break above 56.90 on a closing basis, but the hourly technicals do not really suggest that's a strong momentum on this move. So still a lot of questions. You get this closing break, you then open the 57.87 mark, which is that rally high from late August, and then you're talking about the key highs of the early rally high of late June, and then the key highs of early June. But it's still sort of I think in wait and see mode. That cable is positive, yes, but it still needs a lot more to convince me. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on cable, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.